How to reset Bank of America account password online. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. If you have forgotten the password of Bank of America account, then in this video, I will guide you on how you can recover your account. For this, open up any web browser, then search for Bank of America. You want to click on very first website, which is bankofamerica.com. Once you get here, tap on the login option. Now, normally on this login portal, you enter your user ID, password, then tap on the login option. However, if you have forgotten your password or you want to reset that, simply tap on the forgot ID/password link. Now it will take you to this page. Here you will have to provide some basic information in order to recover your password. Start by entering the last 6 digits of your card or account number. Once that is done, the next step is to enter your social security number or your tax ID number. Once you have entered that, you want to tap on the continue option. After you tap on the continue option, you will receive a link. From that link, you will be able to reset your password. Now you can create a new password and use that password in order to log into your account. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.